Friday, May 14th, early in the morning, one day before our big move. You can see a little bit of scattered items. I cleared out this shed. Greetings all, the J-Man is here from Metal SHARXS, and in a little while our home in North Florida is going to be a hub of activity as I, the J-Man, and my family of 4 and our dog T-Rex are getting ready to move. Yes, we're leaving our home in North Florida. It's a very exciting day. It's May 16th, 2020. So this is just a quick look at our house. And then this is actually a side door, but we used it the most to enter the house. This is our dining area. And sliding glass doors to the backyard. And then our living room, and there's the little used front door, at least while we were here.